Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today we shall see how to cut vegetables like a chef in a classic way with Julienne Style. So let's get started. Take a red cabbage. Now let us see how to chop them in a Julienne style. This type of cutting is also known as French cut or culinary knife cut. Here, the vegetables are cut into long, thin strips, like a matchsticks. Let us take a sweet corn. Peeling the corn can also be done by hand with the help of a knife, which makes it faster and easier. As you see in this video, make sure you watch the video till the end to know more exciting tips. As you know, there are many equipments to peel corn, but here we are using just a knife to peel corn in no time. Now let's move on to the next vegetable. Take a green bell pepper. Cut the head and the bottom of the bell pepper and remove the seed. Let us slice the inner skin of the bell pepper so that it looks nice thin. Julienne style of chopping vegetable is used in many of the popular recipes. Now we shall start cutting them into a thin strips. Next, the most commonly used vegetable for julienne cutting is carrot. Make sure you slice the carrot as thin as possible. Speed comes with practice, so stay calm. Usually, juliennes are 5 cm long, and this is how it looks. Next, I have taken a cucumber, peeled the skin and slicing it thin as possible. Now let us start cutting into thin strips. Next, we shall take a red tomato and de-seed it. I would like to share few tips. Trimming the ends of vegetable and the edges to make 4 straight sides, which makes it easier to make a uniform cut. We shall take an onion and start slicing them as thin as possible. Make sure you use a sharp knife. These trimmings can be used for stocks, soups, purees, etc. Last but not the least, Let us chop the spring onions. Make sure you grip the spring onions tight in your hand and start chopping. Finally, we have one of the classic style of vegetable cutting is called julienne cuts. Also like this video? Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.